हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में सीखेंगे हम 30 कॉमन वर्ब्स एंड देयर फॉर्म्स। फर्स्ट वर्ब इज एक्सेप्ट, कबूल करना, एंड द फॉर्म्स आर एक्सेप्टेड, एक्सेप्टेड एंड एक्सेप्टिंग। नेक्स्ट वन इज डिनाई, DENY, डिनाई मीन्स इनकार करना, फॉर्म्स आर डिनाइड, डिनाइड एंड डिनाइंग। ईट मीन्स खाना, and the forms are ate, eaten, eating. Cook means pakana, forms are cooked, cooked and cooking. Wash means kapde dhona, forms are washed, washed and washing. Drink means peena, forms are drank, drunk, drinking. Walk means chalna, and the forms are walked, walked and walking. Sing means gana, forms are sang, sung, singing. Build, build means banana, forms are built, built, building. Watch means dekhna, forms are watched, watched and watching. Beat, beat means beatna, and the forms are beat, beaten, beating. Read means padna, and the forms are read, read, reading. Spelling same hai lekin pronunciation differs. Write means likhna, and the forms are wrote, written, writing. Tell means batana, and the forms are told, told and telling. Play, play means khelna, and the forms are played, played and playing. Learn, learn means seekhna, and the forms are learnt, learnt and learning. Sleep means sona, and the forms are slept, slept and sleeping. Dream means ख्वाब देखना, and the forms are dreamt, dreamt and dreaming. Wake, wake means jagna, and the forms are woke, woken and waking. Go means jana, and the forms are went, gone and going. Say means kehna, and the forms are said, said and saying. Second and third form said. Bring, bring means lana, and the forms are brought, brought and bringing. Buy means khareedna, and the forms are bought, bought and buying. Sell means bechna, and the forms are sold, sold, selling. Lift means uthana, and the forms are lifted, lifted and lifting. Trouble, trouble means pareshan karna, and the forms are troubled, troubled and troubling. Suspect, suspect means shak karna, and the forms are suspected, suspected and suspecting. Spy, spy means jasusi karna, spied, spied and spying. Send, send means bejna, sent, sent and sending. Work means काम करना, forms are worked, worked and working. Swim, swim means तैरना, forms are swam, swum and swimming. That's all from today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.